Liana Wallet Review. Is this Bitcoin wallet legit? When it comes to Bitcoin wallets, security and reliability are everything. Today, we're looking at Liana Wallet, a Bitcoin wallet with a unique approach. But is it really legit? Let's find out. Liana Wallet is a Bitcoin wallet focused on long-term security and inheritance planning. Unlike standard wallets, it uses time-locked smart contracts, which let you recover your funds after a set period, even if you lose access to your main keys. It's designed for serious Bitcoin holders who care about safeguarding wealth for the future. Here's what Liana Wallet offers. Time-locked recovery to secure funds against lost keys, multi-signature support for extra protection, user-friendly interface despite advanced features, open source code for transparency and trust, and focus on inheritance planning, making it different from most wallets. It's not just about storing Bitcoin, it's about protecting it long-term. Its pros include a unique time-lock recovery system for peace of mind, strong security features like multi-sig, and it's open source. You can verify how it works. However, it's currently Bitcoin only, no multi-crypto support. It may be too advanced for beginners, and it's still relatively new, so adoption is limited. So is Liana Wallet legit? Yes, it's a legitimate and innovative Bitcoin wallet, especially if you're holding for the long term. But if you're a casual user or need support from multiple coins, you may want something simpler. And that's been an honest review of Liana Wallet.